Hybon Engineering is a Midland, Texas-based company that is a market leader in identifying and capturing low-pressure gas streams. For over 55 years, Hybon has assisted companies around the globe in increasing their profits and improving the environment by redirecting low-pressure gas streams from vented and flared sources. Allow us to introduce IQR, a three-step process.
The capture of associated gas, whether it be vent gas from oil production facilities, flare gas on large international projects, or biogas from a myriad of different sources, is more difficult, more of an engineering challenge than typical gas compression, because this gas is typically wet, it's typically extremely low pressure, you have to be sure that there's no oxygen ingress, and there's other technical challenges associated with capturing this low pressure gas and getting it to the next stage of compression.
Identify.
There's three pieces of the puzzle that are critical in order to have a successful gas capture project. And the first is identifying each of these gas streams, to where you truly understand each vent and emission source, to where you can make the best solution on capturing this gas.
Quantify.
The second piece of the puzzle is quantifying these gas streams, truly understanding the exact volume of each gas stream in order to make the best technical assessment of how to capture that gas.
Rectify.
The final piece of the puzzle is rectifying these gas emissions. That's where we define the best technical solution for capturing each of the gas streams and helping produce energy from this otherwise wasted energy source.
Hybon's FLIR patented infrared video camera sees natural gas emissions that are not visible to the human eye. This technology allows us to detect all hydrocarbon gases, including methane, propane, butane, and more.
Hybon Engineering's unique service offering, being able to offer a turnkey service in identifying, quantifying, and then capturing or rectifying each of these gas streams, allows our customers to improve the environment through changing work practices. They're dramatically at times improving employee safety on the location, and to add real tangible financial benefit to their shareholders. It's a unique opportunity to achieve all three in today's commodity prices.
Environmental stewardship.
One of the greatest tangible benefits of our IQR service is improving the environment. Methane gas has 21 times the greenhouse gas effect of CO2. While most of the current focus is on CO2, there's a growing aspect of both the carbon credit market and other elements focused on greenhouse gas reduction that's targeting methane emissions, just because it has such a dramatic impact on the environment for each ton of methane that goes into the atmosphere. As an example, our largest project last year, our equipment is capturing 25 million cubic feet of gas in Western Africa. Capturing this methane gas stream has the same environmental impact of removing 817,000 cars from the road for 1 year. It has the same environmental greenhouse gas impact of planting 1.1 million acres of trees, which is a landmass slightly larger than the state of Rhode Island. And it just goes to show you that these environmental projects, even though each one seems small, can have a dramatic impact on reducing greenhouse gases.
Improve safety.
As a minimum, we generally find extremely large amounts of gas venting from the storage facilities as well as the compressor stations. In storage facilities, the major safety issue is the potential for H2S poisoning in sour gas applications or just a long-term exposure to this high VOC gas. In compressor stations, it's more immediately dramatic. Because this gas is often in an enclosed environment, it's mixing with oxygen, and you've got natural gas engines, you have a potential for a spark, which could cause an immediate explosion and an immediate and dramatic impact to human safety.
Increase profits by reducing lost product.
Now the final and extremely important aspect of IQR is delivering profitability, bottom line dollars to the shareholder of your company. What we found is the typical tank battery in the U.S. vents between $15,000 and $50,000 of natural gas per month. We found individual compressor stations that are leaking up to $75,000 to $150,000 per month in natural gas just due to cylinders and valve seats that are leaking that for less than $500 can be can be modified and fixed and get that gas going back down a pipeline. Each of our IQR surveys delivers real, tangible, hard dollars to the bottom line for the organization and has the added benefit of dramatically improving employee safety and making a real impact on the environment. It's a nice three-way payback. Highbond Engineering offers a unique approach in the gas compression business. We focus strictly on the gas stream itself and can design and fabricate the most cost-effective technical solution for capturing that gas and getting it into a natural gas pipeline. As a result, we're an OEM packager for 7 different styles of compression, and we can package individual projects from a 5 MCF a day nuisance gas project in West Texas to a 25,000 cubic feet a day vent gas project in western Oklahoma. On the larger side, this is a 2.5 million cubic feet a day project, a combination project for the west coast of the U.S. And our largest project last year was a 25 million cubic feet a day flare gas reduction project for West Africa. The real value for our customers is that regardless of the volume of the vent gas stream, we're able to capture this gas and get it into a natural gas pipeline where it's creating value for their shareholders. We would appreciate an opportunity to put our 55 years of experience in capturing these low pressure gas streams to work for you.
Highbond Engineering, setting the new standard for custom capture and compression worldwide.